Hi, good morning, candidates. Welcome to McLean Driving School.
Morning, sir.
Morning. I'm your assessor today, Michael Villados, assessor for driving NC2. I have here the attendance slip, and please sign here beside your name. You have your pen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have your admission slip
Yes, sir.
and an ID?
Sir.
ID with your signature. Okay, so Mr. Mardoque. Thank you.
Sige, sir.
Please welcome also our training manager, assessment center manager, Miss Grace Reyes, and our tester representative, Mr. Neko Osinar. Good morning po. Good morning po sa inyo. Don't worry about them. Huwag kayong matakot. Nandito lang sila for just to observe what will be the proceedings.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I have here also the self-assessment guide. This is the proof that you can perform the units of competencies enumerated in your qualification. Okay. Okay, McLean Driving School, nandito kayo. Ba't yan nandito pala? So, assessment, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Assessment
Yes, sir.
ng driving
Driving po.
C2.
Yes, sir.
McLean Driving School will use tools, equipment, yung facilities, nandiyan lahat yan. The environment and materials are arranged to an actual workplace condition so that you can demo your skills in a realistic and safe settings. Ako naman, my role is just to observe, gather records and evidence on your performance based on your standard set for driving NC2. Next is issuance of national certificate. Ngayon, you will be issued the national certificate or the COC na tinatawag, Certificate of Competencies. Tapos ito yung NC natin na tinatawag, yung NC parang yun ang word dyan. NC, nationally and internationally recognized yan and may be used for employment here and abroad. Ito, magagamit natin to for career promotion, job requirements or credentials for further studies. So magkakaroon kayo ng parang dagdag papers ito, credentials sa mga future jobs na masusumpungan ninyo. Today, I'm here to conduct the competency assessment for NC2. Ngayon, yung driving NC2, meron siyang basic competencies, meron siyang common competencies, and the core competencies. Doon tayo mag-iikot sa core competencies. Number 1 is carrying out minor vehicle maintenance and servicing. Number 2 is driving light vehicles. Obey traffic rules and regulations. Implement and coordinate accident emergency procedures. Okay. Next is the assessment method. Ang assessment method na dadaanan natin for the NC2 driving is number 1 is written exam. I will give you test questionnaires about 100 items and I will give you 1 hour to 1.5 hours to answer it. Next will be the demo, the demonstration. You will do it for 3 hours. Next is the oral questioning. Maybe in 3 hours we'll finish it. Now, if you have health issues, physical disabilities, special needs that we could affect your performance, like for example, you're left-handed, meron tayong chair dyan for left-handed. Tapos, if you have, halimbawa, hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, communication barrier, pwede nyo akong stop, tapos sabihin nyo lang na may hindi kayo naiintindihan. Let me know ahead so we can resolve it as soon as possible. Dako tayo dun sa religion. If you need to pay respect, pray for the Supreme Being na kinikilala nyo, sabihin nyo lang ako. Then, I'll give you time to pray. And kung meron tayong i-perform na kontra sa yung belief, we will make reasonable adjustments. So, to be fair to all the candidates. Tapos meron din tayong pinagbabawal dito sa assessment training while it is going on. Number 1, don't leave the training center. Pare, huwag kayong alis. Kung magugutom kayo, meron tayong cafeteria dyan, right beside this room. May nandyan na yung cafeteria natin. Tapos yung ating CR and restroom nandun sa dulo, sa other side. Mag-turn right lang kayo. So, nandun yung CR. Tapos, number 2 is the cellphone. Cellphone must be on silent mode or better na turn it off muna para walang storbo. Okay? Don't ask the assessor or your co-candidates while you're doing the task. Tapos, higit sa lahat, don't give information regarding this assessment process to others. Okay? Then we will serve also this assessment center. We will also observe occupational health safety. Keep the procedures, all the procedures, assessment procedures confidential. Okay? Next is your right to appeal. If you're not convinced with the result or you see assessment problems during the procedure, you can file a complaint and send it to Assessment Center Manager, Miss Grace Reyes, within the day. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then, let's go to issuance of COC. The Certificate of Competencies will be issued 24 hours within 24 hours via email. So, password equipped yun for your protection. Tapos, nandun na rin yung instructions how to access your COC. Okay, so lahat yun electronic na. Before, it is nandito sa papel, yun ang binibigay. Now, makikita na siya online. Tapos, valid yun for 5 years. Okay, any question about it?
No, sir.
Let's go to assessment procedures. Comfortable ba kayo with the medium of instructions? Okay
Yes, sir.
naman. Any clarification regarding the policies, rules na binanggit ko kanina?
No, sir.
Do you have any questions? Now, we will go to the assessment proper. So, bibigay ko muna sa inyo yung exam. Exam will be 100 items and give you 1 hour to finish it. Exam. Okay, thank you. Done. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to demonstration. I have here a jab. Please show me how to operate the jab and how to put it on a card. Place it on a card.
tinatapat po siya, yung ilalim, dun sa ilalim ng car, sa may side. Then, hanapin yung pinakamatigas na part upang itapat yung dulo ng jack. Then, siguraduhin nakalock. Then, pump. Dahan-dahan. Then, pag naiangat na po, sumari na natin tanggalin yung tire. Then, after nun, pag natanggal na o na-check na yung brakes, i-release na naman po natin. Pag-release is opposite naman po yung pag-release ng jack. Ayan po.
Okay. Thank you. Then I have a question for you. What do you need to consider before you use the floor jack before the lifting of the vehicle? Ano yung dapat mong i-consider bago mo siya gamitin? Yung jack.
I-check po yung tire. Kung possible, kailangan i-gear, first gear. Then, tsaka po pwedeng lagyan ng kalso sa gulong para mas safety ho na hindi siya dalaw.
Okay. So bakit siya kailangan lagyan ng kalso?
For safety po.
Okay, please just assess your exams. I just check your exams and give me 10 minutes. I'll be back. So, Mr. Mardocchio, anong feedback mo sa nangyari ngayon? Sa exam, demo, and everything?
Sa exam po, aminin ko na po na nahirapan po ako sa maraming question. And yung iba po halos sinulaan ko na lang. Meron naman na parang hindi rin ako sigurado sa akin na naging sagot.
Okay. Okay. On your written exam, you got 35 over 100 yung mga exam mo. You did great on answering safety guidelines, yung questioning sa mga safety. Yan, okay yun. Maganda yung mga ginawa mo doon. Tama yung mga answers mo. At nakita ko naman na doon. Well versed ka doon pagdating doon. Tapos, and I found out that meron kang difficulty doon sa pagsagot, sa pag-identify ng mga engine parts. So, there are available reading materials regarding on it sa mga parts ng sasakyan. So, pwede mo siyang basahin ulit para maging informed ka at it will help you to be familiar with the parts of the engine. Okay? On your demonstration naman, I saw you're very familiar using the floor jack. You operate it properly. And you always check the precautionary measures while doing the job. So, yung nakita ko is safety muna bago mo gawin lahat. And after you use the floor jack. Next, on your oral questioning naman, I'm glad that safety is your priority while doing the task using the floor jack. Okay, tapos nakita ko rin na pagkatapos mo gamitin, nilagay mo siya sa safe place para hindi rin maka-aksidente ng ibang tao. That's very good. Okay. Now, Mr. Mardocchio, I'm sorry that you need to further review, practice more your learning activities to meet the standards of your qualification. Based ito dun sa exam na medyo mababa kasi yung exam na nakuha mo.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, you can come back for reassessment once you are ready, yung time of your convenience. So, aral ka muna ulit, go back to the reading materials. Don't worry, you will be assessed on the part where you are found not to be competent. So, yun lang exam ang gagawin mo. I have here the cards, the competency assessment resource summary. Please sign it. Here. There's your name. Just please sign after your name. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for choosing McLean Driving School for your assessment, and good luck, Mr. Merdocchio.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.